Good morning, my name is Muskan, and today I'll be presenting my analysis for the unit MBA 5001 Strategic Management. This video presentation is based on a case study of Apple Incorporated, a global leader in technology and innovation. The objective of this presentation is to explore Apple's strategic management process, focusing on how its leadership, innovation, and marketing strategies have shaped its global position. Let's begin with an overview of the organization. Moving to the next slide, which is organizational overview. Apple Incorporated was established in 1976 and is a world leader in technology, famous for goods like the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. The business works in very competitive areas and relies on new ideas, brand loyalty, and great customer services to stay ahead. Apple has over 1.5 billion operating gadgets around the world. Two of its main goals are to integrate ecosystems and make technology better in the long term. As part of its current strategic setting, it also has to deal with trade disputes and high standards for ESG practices. George Walker and Monster 2019. Moving to the next slide, which is strategic management process. At Apple, strategic management starts with planning and visioning at the top, which is usually led by CEO Tim Cook. The steps are predicting what the market will want, lining up internal resources, and setting goals that can be measured. According to Mintzberg 1994, Apple uses both planned and unplanned tactics, changing based on changes in technology and what competitors do. This iterative method helps Apple stay flexible in global markets with a lot at stake. Long term strategy goals are kept in mind with the help of internal benchmarking and key performance measures. George Walker and Monster 2019. Moving to slide 4, which is application of strategic models. Mintzberg's 5 P's approach can be used to look at Apple's planning process. Their plan is to make great products. They use high prices as a trick. They exhibit new ideas. They are the market leaders and they focus on designing products with the customer in mind. According to Ansoff, the Ansoff Matrix further shows Apple's power in market entry through product launches and updates. It also shows that Apple's services arm is diverse, as shown in Picton and Wright 1998. Creativity and brand loyalty are strengths, supply chain risks are danger. Moving to slide number 5, evaluation of strategy. Strategic management at Apple has regularly led to record high profits and returns for shareholders. Revenues of $394.3 billion in the fiscal year of 2022 show that the plan worked. According to George, companies that plan well do better. Apple is a great example of this. According to Picton and Wright, the company's strengths are loyal customer and a well-run supply chain. On the other hand, its flaws are high production costs and a market that is already full. Apple is able to stay strong because it follows a strategy based on data and keeps investing in research and development. Going forward to the last slide, recommendations. Diversifying Apple's supply chain would lower global risks, especially if the company relied too much on Chinese manufacturing, and improve its strategic performance. Second, making product lines more cheap could help growing economies get into the market faster. Finally, Apple should put more money into carbon neutral processes. This will help its business and comply with regulations. George Walker and Monster 2019. Fourth, increasing personalization based on AI will help keep people and bring in more money for services. Finally, using agile methods can help Apple's strategic planning be more flexible when things go wrong. Mintzberg 1994. Well, these are some references mentioned in this slide. That's all for today, and thank you so much.